There are 5 things you didn't know about the WD Black 8TB SN8 NVMe internal SSD. Stick around to uncover some surprising facts that might just change how you view this gaming powerhouse. Welcome to the Inspect Aspect. Today we'll dive deep into a product that's been turning heads in the gaming world, the WD Black 8TB SN850X NVMe SSD. We'll explore 5 things you probably didn't know about this incredible drive. First off, let's talk about performance. With speeds reaching up to 7200 ms, the WD Black SN850X isn't just fast. It's incredibly transformative for your gaming experience. However, such high speeds come at a price, both financially and in the learning curve required for installation. Next, we have the impressive capacity. With options stretching up to 8 TB, you can store more games than you've ever thought possible. While this means fewer deletions of your favorite titles, keep in mind that extensive storage can sometimes lead to clutter if not managed properly. The third feature is the optional heatsink. Designed to maintain peak performance during intense gaming sessions, this feature is crucial to prevent overheating. However, though the heatsink is a great addition, it's one more component to consider when building or upgrading your rig. Fourth on our list is the WD Black Dashboard. This powerful tool not only monitors the health of your SSD, but also lets you customize options like RGB lighting. Yet it's only available for Windows users, making it less accessible for those on other platforms. Lastly, the drive boasts future-forward features like predictive loading and adaptive thermal management. These aspects can enhance your overall experience, although some users might not notice the benefits in day-to-day usage, which raises questions about necessity versus hype. In conclusion, the WD Black 8TB SN850X NVMe SSD is a remarkable product with undeniable strengths. However, its high speed and capacity come with a learning curve and expenses that not every gamer may be willing to embrace. Whether you decide to invest in it depends on your gaming habits and needs. If you're serious about performance, it's definitely worth considering. Just be sure you're prepared for the commitment it entails.